Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shorthand with Neha. So today we start the dictation within a 5 second. Start. Sir, I must congratulate the Home Minister for the excellent beginning that he had made and for the speed that he has acquired to restore the fundamental rights to the citizens and to appoint Commissioner of Inquiry to go into the excesses of the earlier rule as well as the shocking scandals that he had characterized last year of the previous regime. However, in all humanity, I must confess that it is not enough. The fourth, second amendment of the Constitution should be withdrawn immediately. The fundamental rights will have to be fully restored and the role and the power of judiciary must be restored immediately. Then the necessary correction in the attitude of the police cannot be achieved if at this moment we do not differentiate between those officers and men who acted on instructions and those who went out of their way of trouble and harass people during the earlier rule. If we do not definitely between these people and do not give to the guilty explanatory punishment that would serve as deterrent and corrective, we would not to be able to recognize the police department. Now I come to the area of journal administration for the which the Home Ministry is wholly responsible. Our public offer have not earned a great reputation for efficiency, concentration for months and months together. Public petitions and letters written by the public representative, councillor, legislature, or member of parliament, even the ministers, leave aside the officer, remain unanswered or under concentration for years together. Sometimes we do not get a reply at all to our letters. Our people have to suffer because of this. We hope the Home Minister will see that these people offer function efficiently even after 50 years of our own government. These public officers, especially officers like block development officers and the public officers, do not behave properly and even should looked into so that the public officers behave properly and in a manner as to instill confidence in the people that it is their own government which wants to serve them and not to terrorize them. Within the time you have given, I want to draw the attention of the Home Minister to a very important matter. I know the law order in a state subject. Honorable member will tell that our Home Minister, state government and their chief minister and minister behave in such a way which is against people interest. Naturally, government of India have to take action against these people. Full stop.